Hello guys, today we have more interesting question for you. I hope you will like it. So let's start. Question number 1 is, who writes Principles of Geology? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. Okay. Okay. The answer is Charles Lyell writes the first modern geology textbook in 1830. The next question is, who made the first dry cell? Now time started. Yes. Okay. Give me answer guys. Yes. Okay. The answer is Alessandro Volta made dry cell. Now next question is, who gives the name dinosaur to the extinct giant lizards? Now time started. Okay. Give me answer. Yes. Yes. Okay, the answer is Richard Owen gives the name dinosaur to the extinct giant lizards. The next question is, who proposes that all matter is made of atom? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. Okay. The answer is John Dalton proposes that all matter is made of atom. The next question is, who publishes the book on the makeup of the human body? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. The answer is Andreas Vesalius publishes this book. In this book gives detailed pictures of human anatomy. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.